Hello, welcome to the pet room. All right, it's time to do some shuffling. And there's not a whole lot of room here to shuffle. So I'll slide this one kind of off the table a little bit and push this machine over. Slide. Stuck on my shirt. Okay. Push that over. Slide myself over. Oh, yeah. And then slide the 4032 over. Oh. And then, oh, yeah. Okay, so everything is okay on the table. So, we're going to bring the 4032 over here. And as tempting as it is to try and put the SuperPET boards in here, I think I really want to try it on an 80 column machine. I'm sure it wouldn't make any difference. But first I got to find an 80 column board that works. Okay, so if I remember rightly, I need to open this up. And then this cable, which is the monitor cable from this other machine, the 8032, which is really a SuperPET, has to be able to reach the plug on the 4032. Oh, look, there's some notes. And at this moment, I suspect it won't quite, which is not surprising. All right. So, in the midst of gathering, oh dear, things are happening. I've got to get 2 power cords into position. Excuse me, 1 second. All right, so that's 1. And there is the other one. All right, so we have power. Now, I'm going to double check this machine. Lovely sound. And it comes up, and it's lovely. But I'm not going to diddle around. Boy, it's funny how much shorter they started making those hood things. Okay, now this is always challenging. Let me turn this off. Remove the monitor thing and reach over here and see that it is close, but it is not there yet. Okay, that looks like it will go. And it does go. So, I'll turn on the power to this Hulk. It's not attached to the circuit board. And then, I think I can get my head down here. I'll turn on the 4032. And if all goes as well as planned, why can't I find the switch? I'll know if this monitor is working. All right, so, and it is. Woohoo! All right. It is. It's funny how when things don't go well, this monitor over here, because it's saying, where's my signal? Where's my bright thing appears in the middle, like, what are you done to me? It's funny, you know, as I look back over the years when we were running the bulletin board on the PET, I have no clue why we didn't put a power switch on the monitor. Because if I was doing it now, I certainly would. If a machine was going to be on for days and days and days and days and days, and you know, really only needed to be, I would have done something of that nature. I would have. So everything here looks fine on this monitor. I'm not going to leave it on for days and days and weeks and weeks and days. But I can add that to the notes that I haven't written to say that the monitor works. And I don't think the keyboard I don't think the keyboard cable would reach over here. No, it will not. Otherwise, I could always test the keyboard. Because the one on this machine is a little dirty. Oh well. Anyway, another working monitor. This may come in handy. There's actually a fellow right now who's been asking me if I happen to have a 9-inch monitor. And I don't know yet. I just have to work away. So, all right. Let's write things. Filthy SP9000. SP boards removed. June 2023. Monitor works. 6502 missing. Why? Because it's in the board for the SuperPET. Board needs massive cleaning. Massive. Power supply powered monitor. So that's a good sign. And I guess I'll write this with the keyboard. Not checked. Alrighty. So it seems, don't fall down, paper, that we have had some success with some things here anyway. So I'm going to turn this machine off. I'm going to unplug the monitor cable thing. I'm going to put, wait a second, I didn't turn this one off. I will turn this one off, then I will plug in the monitor cable thing, and I will turn it on and verify that we're still working. Okay. Now I found this big piece of paper doesn't really fit nicely in here. So I'm going to fold it up. I can always add to it. I'll just tuck it in there. Same with this. Alright, so we'll put that in. And what is this thing? Oh, paint that's peeling off. Okay. So, the next machine that I would logically come to, I am wary of, because it's the one, if you remember earlier, that had hinge troubles, as in the screws were removed from the hinge and the machine tried to flop all around. I'm not sure what to do about that. I can bypass it, because right here on the floor, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 10 on the floor. So I can shuffle. Alright, so monitor works. I will put this bag, which is the inner workings of the lower board, no, middle board, or the lower board of the SuperPET. And here is the upper board of the SuperPET. I will set them aside carefully. I'm not sure where yet, but carefully. And at some point, I do intend to put them into a working 8032. I do. But we're not there yet. All right. Well, thanks for coming. I've had some success today. We'll see what else we can get into. The day is young, and I don't know about you, but I have things to do outside. But if I do them in the shade, it goes quite well. If I do them in the sun, I get overheated and I say I can't do this. And it's sunny out, so I might as well continue in here, in the pet room. So thanks for coming. If you have any questions, any comments, or if you see that I've done something incredibly foolish, don't hesitate to say, yo, be careful there. Or, you could try this, you could try that. I know a lot, but there's a lot that I don't know. So thank you. Thank you for being here. See you again soon. David Bradley in the pet room, signing off.